Here we got 2011 Caddy Life. It had problems with the additional brake light bulb. Now, in the diagram, if you have a look, you can see we got the light itself, M25, we got the ground, and then one wire that goes to the BCM T52A pin 45. That means plug A pin 45. We check that. We check the wiring from here, going to the all the way like that, and on the other side, and the wire would go that way, come around, go in here. In here you have to take all of this out, otherwise you can not access it. Then we got two plugs in here. You can see the red and black wire. I have resoldered it from here to there, because from there to there it was a breakage in the wire, and it's hard to explain because there was nothing that cut it, and the cut was somewhere in there. Nothing that would rip it off or something, nothing to see. Now we had to trace the wire. We tested the wiring up to the top, checked in here, thought that the common fault would be here, but it's not. And now the third brake light, the high brake light, this one works. But obviously you check the fuses. Look how much stuff to take apart just for one wire that doesn't work. So if you have a problem with the Caddy Life and you have no brake lights, you start with the fuses, then you check the wiring. Obviously first you replace the bulb, and if that one doesn't work, I had a little light, another brake light that I use for testing. It'll do just fine because you plug it in and that's it. And yeah, job done. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this one helped you.